It's cold today. So you can see today's video we're gonna dyno the car. I don't know how much I'm gonna film because usually people don't like when you film them. But hopefully I will get some footage. So now I'm at the tuner and I'm gonna take the car in. Hopefully it will start. It did not go according to plan. It did not go according to plan. I will unload the car and then we can get into what happened. The clutch caught on fire. Yeah, everything has to come apart. And what happened was when I was backing into to go on dyno, suddenly like there was a lot of smoke coming up from the bonnet and turned off the car. Smelt the unmistakable smell of crushed dreams and clutch. And now I have to take the engine out and gearbox out and everything has to come out in order to look at what happened and then change it. Not good.
Always look at the bright side of life. Mike's working.
So the car is now on jack stands and I think I'm gonna end the video here. So until next time.